Hello everyone, welcome back to Shraddha Academy. Today we will going to study about PUC first year English. Okay, so this is a textbook which you have to purchase of reflections, and even you will be getting the grammar book. Okay, so this is the revised edition which was of 2021 and 22. Okay, so it is a cost of 70 rupees which you have to purchase. There's no other options. Okay, to study you have to, because all the questions will be coming from this only, because this is NCERT. So this all are the contents, it means the chapters and the poems. So first will be the Gentleman of the Jungle, which is very important topic. Okay, it will be coming for unit exam also, as well as midterm, final exam. If you see the previous year exam question paper, then also don't take PUC first year lightly, especially in the languages. Okay, if you take PCMB, very good marks out of out in languages. If you take less marks, definitely you are going to lose the marks. So this is the content in which you can see here: the Gentleman of the Jungle, the Schoolboy will be the poem, Around a Medicinal Creeper, Oru Manishan, Many Madness, Babar Ali, If I Was a Tree, Watchman of the Lake is also very nice chapter. Yes, then The Farmer's Wife, Frederick Douglass, an interesting chapter. An Old Woman, Two Gentlemen of Verona, the a very moral story it is. Okay, then Do Not Ask of Me, My Love. Okay, this is about the earth or India's poem, or the chapter which you can say. So in this all chapters, actually the pattern of this English exam will be out of 80 marks. Okay, you have to score 80 out of 80, and that will become after reading this whole book, because in MCQs whichever question they might ask in this whole book. Okay, and then actually from this time only the exam pattern is changed. I will be telling you in the upcoming videos. So coming to the Gentleman of the Jungle, it is written by Jomo Kenyatta. Before that, see, first of all, make this, take print of this paper and stick it near your study table, because whichever poet might ask, okay, in the exam. Now the question might be, who wrote the chapter Frederick Douglass? Frederick Douglass only. Only this chapter's poet is same, because only he had wrote that. Remaining all are different. So remember the spellings first. In English you have to remember the spellings. Then coming to the chapters are really very good. I'm just giving the brief about this book. Okay, and I have written many things in books. Whenever I will be teaching each and every chapter, I have written, see, I have marked very important points over here and highlighted over there. So I will be teaching you. Okay, do not worry, my dear students. So this will be the, yeah, one more thing, you have to know about the poet, when they had born, in which place, what all they had got, like the awards and all, and how many poems or literatures or journals they have written. You have to write that briefly in the examination. Okay, and then see, I have highlighted some points which will be coming in the exam. Okay, so this is all about the book in which you have to purchase it, which costs for 70 rupees. This was a brief introduction about a English textbook. Hope you like my video. Thank you.